Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
Hey KKFL family! Welcome back to learn new idioms and phrases every day. Today we're going to learn about hit the nail on the head and cut corners. Let's dive in. Hit the nail on the head means to describe exactly what is right or true. Imagine you guessed the answer to a tricky question perfectly. You just hit the nail on the head. Cut corners means to do something poorly to save time or money. For example, if you rush through your homework and make mistakes, you're cutting corners. Great job, everyone! Now you know what hit the nail on the head and cut corners mean. Remember, always do your best and aim for accuracy. See you next time for more fun idioms and phrases.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.